One simple thing that everybody can do is, the air that they breathe, the water that they drink, the food that they eat, and the earth that they walk upon, and the space which holds us. 5 times a day, let's say. If you are too preoccupied, at least 3 times a day, consciously, just bring a certain sense of reverence. This is a very common thing, you're being told, matru prema, pitru prema, this one, that one. Prithvi prema, that is love for the planet on which you're walking, because that's not different from you.